Today I want to talk about a evolution of a product I've been working on for a long time. I'm a huge fan of minimalist wallets, and I wanted to use my 3D printing skills along with some leather tooling, I guess, leather goofing around, to make something that I'd like to carry every single day. So I'm going to take you through a quick history and then show you the final product. So here are just a few of the various versions that I've done over the years. This one was kind of an odd one. It just flat didn't work out, using magnets and a folding option. That's no good. And then here with a dog ears, and then you to push up the cards from the bottom. This was okay, but not good enough. We'll skip down. Another one like that with the actual leather work on top of it. So that one, I actually used this for quite a while, but the issue is the cards would easily fall out when one was pulled out, and that just isn't ideal. And then here's just some various versions of the same style. And then here's a kind of an early version of the current wallet, and this little opening here just isn't big enough to push the cards out, so that didn't make the end. And then here's a couple of versions of essentially the final version. You can see little broken piece there. This one is what I would call final. I used clear PETG on the 3D printer, and the way it works is you see these little ears here, flexible, so that's what keeps the cards in, whether you have 5 cards or whether you have 1 card in there. So that was the trick, and I actually took a design from a guy off of Printables, and I will link him down below. That gave me the general idea for this, and then I've added some kind of rounded edges here, thicken it up a little bit to add some strength, as well as change the design on how you get the cards out. So this is the 3D printed shell of the wallet itself, and then this is the what I would call final version. So again, I used the clear PETG as the 3D printed shell, and then in order to get the cards out, you simply just push up the corner, and you see the little dog ears, or whatever you want to call them, kind of squeeze out. So you can take out 1 card. They don't fall out. Take out 3 cards. Again, they don't fall out. Just take out, leave 1 card in there. Voila. Problem solved. So this has been something I've been trying to build for a while now. It's kind of fun when you get it to a point where it actually works like it's intended. So I always kind of tinker, so I'm sure this won't be the last one of these I make, or the last version of this I make, but it's nice to know that I have a 3D printed shell that will fit what I'm after. Adds almost no bulk to your front pocket when you're carrying your cards. I am not a cash guy, so I don't have a need for a cash clip or a rubber band or anything like that. So this works really well for me. Curious to hear your thoughts down below, what you think. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.